When it comes to window installation in Birmingham, many homeowners seek affordable solutions to improve their homes without breaking the bank. While cost is a crucial consideration, choosing high-quality materials for your windows should never be overlooked. High-quality materials can enhance energy efficiency, improve durability, and deliver long-term savings, making them a smart investment for homeowners on any budget. Here's why focusing on quality materials for affordable window installation is essential. Long-term cost saving. While it may be tempting to cut costs by opting for cheaper, lower-quality materials, doing so can lead to frequent repairs, higher maintenance expenses, and even premature replacements. High-quality windows, on the other hand, are built to last. They can withstand Birmingham's diverse climate, from humid summers to chilly winters, with less wear and tear over time. By investing in durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, you reduce the likelihood of warping, rotting, or other issues that can arise with cheaper alternatives. This means fewer unexpected costs and a lower total cost of ownership over the lifespan of your windows. Improved energy efficiency. Birmingham's changing weather patterns, with hot summers and cool winters, make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. High-quality window materials often come with superior insulating properties, helping to reduce heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. This means less reliance on your heating and cooling system to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Look for windows with features such as double or triple pane glass, low E, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These components minimize drafts, reduce energy loss, and create a more energy-efficient home. The initial investment in high-quality materials may be higher, but the long-term savings on utility bills quickly make up for the difference. Enhanced comfort and reduced noise. Choosing high-quality materials for your windows can significantly improve your home's comfort. Energy-efficient windows with superior insulation properties keep indoor temperatures stable, preventing cold drafts during the winter and excessive heat in the summer. This consistent indoor climate makes your living space more enjoyable year-round. In addition to temperature control, high-quality windows provide better noise reduction. If your home is located in a bustling Birmingham neighborhood or near a busy street, upgrading to windows with sound dampening features can create a quieter, more peaceful environment indoors. Increased home value and curb appeal. High-quality windows enhance your home's curb appeal, which is especially important if you plan to sell in the future. Prospective buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and durable windows. High-quality materials not only boost the visual appeal of your home but also offer functional benefits that can make it more attractive to buyers. In Birmingham's competitive real estate market, investing in high-quality windows sets your property apart and can lead to a higher resale value. Even if selling isn't in your immediate plans, you'll still enjoy the benefits of improved aesthetics and performance. Better durability and low maintenance. Low-quality window materials are more susceptible to damage from environmental factors like humidity, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations. High-quality materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum are designed to resist these elements and maintain their structural integrity over time. For homeowners in Birmingham, where humidity and temperature swings can be common, selecting windows made from durable materials means less maintenance. Quality materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, so you won't have to worry about frequent painting, sealing, or repair work. This saves you both time and money in the long run. Enhanced security. Your windows play a crucial role in your home's security. High-quality materials, especially when combined with advanced locking mechanisms, offer enhanced security features that make it harder for potential intruders to gain access. Sturdy frames, impact-resistant glass, and strong hardware provide an added layer of protection for your home and your family. Choosing high-quality windows not only boosts security but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected. Access to warranties and manufacturer guarantees. Many reputable window manufacturers stand behind their products with warranties that cover both the materials and performance of their windows. High-quality materials often come with extensive warranties, giving you confidence in your investment. If any issues arise, you can rely on the warranty for repair or replacement, saving you money and stress. Lower quality materials may not offer the same level of warranty protection, leaving you vulnerable to costly repairs or replacements. Conclusion: choosing high-quality materials for your affordable window installation in Birmingham is a smart investment that pays off in the long run. From improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced durability and security, quality materials deliver significant benefits that outweigh their initial cost. By focusing on high-quality options, you ensure that your windows provide long-lasting performance, reduce maintenance expenses, and add value to your home for years to come. Investing in quality doesn't just make financial sense, it makes your home a better place to live.